In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can discard a draft on TikTok. The process is pretty straightforward and simple, so let's just get straight into it. Okay, so first of all, you need to create a TikTok. So what I'm going to do for this video is I'm just going to tap on the plus icon at the bottom in the center. Once you've done that, you just want to choose your video length. I'll just choose 15 seconds, or you can just simply tap on this upload button to upload one from your device. Okay, but I'll just record something real quick. Okay, so that's just recording a quick 5-second video or so. I'll just leave it like that, then hit stop. Okay, and this is my video, and then you just want to edit it however, and then hit the tick mark. Okay, just pretend you're uploading a video, then go next. Okay, now if you decide once you get onto this page that you don't actually want to post this draft on TikTok, you just want to hit the back button, which is right at the top left hand corner, and then you want to hit back one more time. And then once you're on this page, just tap on the X button at the far left hand corner on the top left. Once you hit that, it says discard. You can see in red it says discard. Okay, so tap on discard, and that video has now been removed. Okay, so that's how you do it on the upload process. Now if I go into one of my drafts here real quick, let's just go for this one right here and then hit the back button. You can see here that it says quit editing. Okay, so if you tap on quit editing, it's going to go back here. But if you want to actually delete that draft, you can just I'll just go back again. That's not what I wanted to do. Hit this button where it says select. Okay, hit select and you can select any draft. Now if you want to discard it completely and delete it, tap on it and then just tap on delete at the bottom, and that draft will be deleted. Okay, so those are two ways on how you can actually discard drafts on TikTok. So if this helped you out, drop a like onto this video and I'll see you in the next one.